Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix proximity sensor issues in your Poco M8 Pro. Follow each steps carefully to make sure the sensor works correctly. If this tutorials help you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for more useful guides. Now let's begin.